Assalamu alaikum WB. Allow me to introduce myself. Name, Zaki Suja Wikiksono. Class, MNJ 23A. NPM, 234111063. Today, I will briefly explain the definition of tax according to the 2021 law, the functions of tax, and the tax collection systems in Indonesia. 1. Definition of tax, Law Number 7 of 2021. According to the Harmonization of Tax Regulations Law, UUHPP, tax is a mandatory contribution to the state owed by individuals or entities that is enforceable by law. Its main characteristic is that taxpayers do not receive direct compensation, and the proceeds are used for state purposes to ensure the maximum prosperity of the people. 2. Functions of tax. Taxation plays four crucial roles for the country. Budgetary function. Budgetaire as the primary source of funds to finance state expenditures and national development. Regulatory function. Regularand as a tool to regulate economic policies, such as providing tax incentives to attract investment or imposing high taxes to limit the consumption of certain goods. Stability function. Helping to maintain economic stability, for instance, by controlling the inflation rate. Redistribution of income function. Tax revenues are used to fund public facilities and social security to promote economic equality. 3. Tax collection systems in Indonesia. Indonesia implements three methods for collecting taxes from the public. A. Self-assessment system. In this system, the government grants full trust to the taxpayer to calculate, pay, and report their own tax liability according to the regulations. An example is income tax, PPH. B. Official assessment system. The amount of tax is determined entirely by tax authorities, fiscus. The taxpayer remains passive and simply waits for a tax assessment letter to make the payment. An example is land and building tax, PBB. C. Withholding system. The amount of tax is calculated and deducted by a third party, which is neither the government nor the taxpayer concerned. The most common example is the deduction of employee income tax by the employer, company. Apaka anda ingin saya membantu membuatkan kalimat penutup. Closing statement. Yang menarik untuk presentasi ini?